Here I have ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location tags on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the arrow icon here, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find location services. So just enable it like this, and now grant location access to camera, and now every photo or video you take will be marked with its location info. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.